Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily embed a PDF in your Gmail. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser, right? Click on Compose. Then over here, instead of clicking Attach Files, what you can do instead, first, look up for PDF to JPG. You can use this first website or link. I love PDF. Then just click on that link, select a PDF. I do have a sample PDF right over here. Click on open and then convert to JPG. You have normal and high image quality. Normal will do for me, which is recommended because it's going to be quick. And once done, it will show the PDF has been converted to JPG. Just make sure to download this. I already have mine downloaded, so I don't need to have another copy. Just go back to your Gmail. Again, instead of clicking on attach files, open up your file explorer. Instead, you can click on the file and drag it right over here at the body of your mail. It will look like this. Drop files here. If you have that option or prompt, go ahead and just drop your file anywhere on the body of the mail. Then it will look like this. It will show a preview and you can click on it and change the size. We have original size, best fit, small, or you can even remove this if you want to redo all of this. That's it. That's how you can easily embed a PDF in your Gmail body. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.